welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzie, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 treatments that help stop a breakage using products that you probably already have in your kitchen right now. So if you're someone who struggles with breakage, you want to retain some length, you want to achieve your hair goals, make sure you guys stay tuned for this video. Before I go ahead and jump right in, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. So before I go ahead and share with you guys the 5 treatments that stop a breakage, I want to go ahead and share with you guys the difference between a breakage and shed hair, so you guys will be able to identify if you actually do have breakage or if you're just experiencing a lot of shed hair. So basically, shed hair is a long strand that comes out and it has a white bulb on the end. Now this white bulb is your hair follicle. This is the root. This has to be included on the hair strand for it to be shed hair. Now when it comes to breakage, it's a little bit different because breakage can also have that white bulb on one end, but it will be a lot shorter than the rest of your hair. Shed hair pretty much is the true length of your hair, whereas breakage is going to be a lot shorter because it breaks in the middle of the hair shaft. Now that we've talked about the differences between shed hair and breakage, we can just go ahead and jump right into these 5 treatments. These treatments are great for someone who doesn't want to spend a lot of money on products. If you don't necessarily want to wait for the products, if your hair is just breaking and you're like, I need a quick fix right now. Like I said in the beginning of this video, most of these products you already have in your kitchen right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and list them off to you guys and share with you all how to apply them to get the most benefit for your hair so you can stop the breakage. The first one is my absolute favorite, which is the avocado mask. Love, love, love this avocado mask. All you need is half a ripe avocado with a tablespoon of honey, and you just mix it together. You apply this as a deep conditioning treatment and you leave it in your hair for 15 minutes. I absolutely love this treatment. 1, because I love avocados, and 2, I use the other half to make some guacamole to enjoy while I'm sitting under the hooded dryer with this mask on. So it is a win-win for me. It is amazing. The second treatment I want to share with you guys is something I've done on my channel before, and I'll go ahead and list that video in the card section right now so you guys can check that video out. But I'm talking about the black tea rinse. I love this black tea rinse because it's so cost effective. You can pretty much find black tea anywhere. If you're in like a hotel, they typically have free black tea bags sitting around at their like little breakfast bar. You can always pick those up. That's what I do because honestly, they're free. So yeah, you can always use the black tea rinse, and what you do is you want to take 2 to 3 black tea bags and you want to steep them in some hot water. Make sure you give it some time to cool down because you don't want to burn your scalp. You want to make sure the water is lukewarm. So once you went ahead and washed your hair maybe like 2 times, go ahead and rinse with this black tea rinse before you apply your conditioner and your deep conditioning treatment, and this will work to help build those protein bonds up so you won't experience as much breakage. The third treatment, all you need is half of a ripe banana, and you also need 1 tablespoon of honey. You want to make sure you get the consistency very creamy. I know sometimes if you don't mix it well, you still will have some banana chunks in this mask, but you want to make sure you get it as smooth as possible. And after you wash your hair, apply your conditioner, apply this mask and sit under the hooded dryer, and then rinse it out and apply your deep conditioning treatment. This will also help build your protein bonds up and eliminate that breakage, while it also hydrates from the honey, so it gives your hair that really nice protein and moisture balance, which is what we're always looking for, especially if you're trying to retain the length. The fourth treatment I want to share with you guys only requires 1 ingredient, which is amazing, and this is the mayo treatment. All you do is take some mayonnaise and you just slap it in your hair right once you're doing your deep conditioning treatment. And once you rinse your hair out, blow dry your hair, you'll be able to tell a difference within your hair texture. Your hair will be a lot more shinier and a lot more manageable, but the egg that's already in the mayonnaise will actually add and give your hair that strength that it needs, because you guys know eggs are protein, and I am vegan, but I do like to use this treatment on my hair because I feel like it's really easy. It's only 1 ingredient, which a lot of people will always have mayonnaise in their refrigerator. So this treatment is great. The last treatment I want to share with you guys that helps eliminate breakage is the egg and extra virgin olive oil treatment. Now you can substitute the extra virgin olive oil out with coconut oil if that's what you have on hand, but you want to mix 1 egg with a little bit of oil, and you want to make sure you whisk it together very nicely and apply this to your hair before you wash it, because if you apply this and you leave it on as a deep conditioning treatment and you sit under the hooded dryer and you leave it on and you let the heat absorb, the egg will dry in your hair. And I've noticed when you do it this way, it's a lot harder to get that product out of your hair without actually having to clarify your hair and then wash your hair again. So to avoid all of the hassle, just apply this treatment before you wash your hair, and I'm telling you guys, it does work phenomenally. So like I shared in the beginning of this video, all of these ingredients for each of these treatments can be found in your kitchen right now, whether it's the black tea rinse or the mayo treatment. I'm telling you guys, these work phenomenally because these products have protein in them. They also have the fatty acids with the avocado and the banana. The honey adds the moisture that we need to help our hair stop breaking, which is crucial, which is why you experience breakage. It's a lack of moisture and a lack of protein. So make sure you guys try to find a treatment that has a little bit of both to balance your hair out. If you don't necessarily know which one is causing your hair to break, it might be a protein overload or it might be just not enough moisture at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section below what are some of your favorite at-home remedies to use on your hair, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.